Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review KickoffLabs. So KickoffLabs is a tool that lets you create referral programs. You can also host giveaways using KickoffLabs. It has a lot of templates for that. And for your new product launch, you can also create waitlist. Currently, KickoffLabs is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $449. But at Appsumo, you are getting this tool at only $59. This is a one-time single payment. KickoffLabs is an alternative to 𝗗𝗲𝗀𝘀, and these are some of the integration options that you are going to get with this tool. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So here are all the features. You can send unlimited campaign emails, but they will have to be sent using third-party service provider such as SMTP, MailChimp or any other services. And then there is advanced fraud protection. So when you are running a contest, the participants won't be able to participate multiple times. And then there are unlimited contest status pages. There is mix and match contest type, customizable contest scoring and actions, and also pop-ups for giveaways, opt-ins and rewards. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49, where you can have 1000 leads per month. The tier 2 costs $149 with 5000 leads, but there are some additional features as you can see. And there is also license tier 3. On this tier you get SMS contest with Twilio integration. You can customize email templates and also add custom domains. There is advanced reporting, purchase tracking, and also API or webhook access. There is also another tier. So if you want to buy KickoffLabs on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard. After you log into KickoffLabs, you are going to get this dashboard, and as you can see, there are a lot of pre-given templates that you can use. So if you want to host any giveaways, here are all the viral giveaway templates, and each of the template serves a different purpose for the giveaway. So you can also see the description on each of them. And other than the giveaway templates, there are also other templates such as referral programs. So you can create this program super easily just by using these templates. And there are also some templates for product launches. So here is one that is pre-launch waitlist. You can also see the description. So there are a lot of product launch templates. And then there are also templates for social channel. So you can use them in order to run contests on social channels such as TikTok, Spotify or any other channels. And there are also two other lead generation templates, so you can also use them. So let's open a template. I'm going to use a template from this product launch. Let's use the first one, which is pre-launch waitlist. So click on start. And one of the best features of KickoffLabs is that you do not have to design the web page by yourself. You can leave this task to the AI. So for that, just click on this. And then you have to provide some description about your product so that the AI can write description, add images, which means organize the web page according to your product. For example, I'm about to launch a product that is called vid1. So it edits video super easily with AI. So just like this, you have to provide description about your product and then click on next. And now you have to select what kind of page you want. It could be single page that contains the form, thanks, sharing and actions. It could also be 2-page or pop-up box or an embedded campaign. And if you already have a form, you can also select this option. So I'm just going to select this single page and then click on next. And now I have to select the page design. So let's select this, the second one, and then click on next. And here is a preview of the campaign that I'm about to launch for my new product. So just click on this. And as you can see, the AI campaign is now on progress. Okay, so the campaign has been created, the campaign for waitlist for the new product launch. So now let's open it. So here is our campaign. You can also see the URL. And you can also edit this campaign. And there are also some other options such as you can change settings, start A/B test, embed this, preview this. So what I want to do is show you the campaign. So let's open this. And as you can see, so here is the web page. So vid1 waitlist. So the people that visit this page, they will have to provide the name, email, and then join the launch list. And the AI has also came up with some description, written content. And here are also more details that is about the founder, but you can also change all of them. And at the end of the page, as you can see, the people that participate. So if they tell their friends, if they use this referral link, they can get 3 points each. And by visiting us on Facebook, following on X and watch our preview, they can also get 1 point. So these points are exactly what determines your position, and you can also see total wait listed. And there are also some other content written by the AI, and everything that you are seeing on this page is customizable. Let me show you how you can customize that. So if you click on this edit, so as you can see, the drag and drop editor has been opened. So now you can edit whatever you want. For example, I want to change this waitlist text. So let's add some numbers. You can also change this text, and you can also change this form. So currently on this form, there are only 2 fields. You can also add more fields. So here are some pre-given fields that you can add, and you can also change the confirmation settings. So what type of confirmation you want? It could be show message on page or some other options. And here is the confirmation text, and you can also change the style from here. So these were all the settings about the form. And then you can also change this image or this text. And for example, I want to remove this image. So just select it and then click on this delete, and I can delete this block, or I can also delete just this image. For that, I have to click on this, and as you can see, the image has been removed. And now if I want to add another image, all I have to do is just click on this plus icon and then click on this image. And as you can see, the image block has been added. Now we can upload our image, and for that we have to click on this replace image. And you can add images from Unsplash, royalty free images, or you can also upload one. So let's upload one. So this is the image that I uploaded, and for some reason it was not added to this block. I think this image has got its own separate block. So I'm just going to delete this block. So as you can see, the image is now here. You can also resize this image. So if you click on this change size, you can change the width and also the height. There are also some other options, such as you can display it in inline or break text. You can also add alternative text. You can change the image style. You can insert link. You can change the alignment. And obviously you can also add another image. And if you click on this plus icon, once again, you can add any content that you want. So there are general content and also content for contest. And you can add a lot of different types of content, such as headline, paragraph, image, icon, video, stacked form, inline form. There are so many options. And if you open one, for example, I want to add header. So as you can see, the header has been added. And just like this, you can also add paragraph. You can add image, card, image plus text. So there are a lot of options. And you can also add various sections. For that, you have to click on this plus icon. And in terms of section, you can add a lot of different types of elements, such as forms. So here are all the form options available. You can add contest, headlines, features, and also text blocks. And you can also design certain sections. So just click on this. And as you can see on the left side, there are detailed settings that you can change in order to come up with a new design. You can add new image. You can add overlay color, change the size, change the background color. You can also add video. You have to provide the video URL on here. And then there is spacing. You can change the spacing, content area, and also the display rules. You can also change the fonts and the color. So here are all of those options. And there are also some settings about this campaign or web page. So you can add custom CSS from here. You can also add your favicon image. So this is exactly how you can super easily customize the web page with this drag and drop editor. You will also get some other features, such as you can add new page. So you can add a new landing page or new status page. You can also add a new embedded form. So here are pre-launch waitlist embeds and also all of the embeds. And there are some common settings on here, such as the scoring. So remember how I told you, for referral, each user is going to get 3 points. For visiting Facebook, each user is going to get 1 point. So you can set the scoring on here. So as you can see, here are all of the scoring opportunities. So you can also add a new action. And you can also see all of your purchases, the lead tags, and also the sign up and referrals. So let's go back, and you can also add emails, edit the messaging. So here, send broadcast auto reply email. So if you open a certain email, so from here you can set up the custom email provider. So you can send KickoffLabs emails from your own preferred provider. And for that you have to set up your SMTP, SendGrid or AWS. And you can also add milestones. So click on add a reward level. And from here you can create new reward level. And you can even add more elements to your campaigns, such as you can add nudge bars. You can also add campaign pop-up box or any form. And on top, there are a lot of useful settings, such as you can see all of your leads. So if someone signs up on your waitlist, you're going to get their email on here. You can also see how many referrals they have got, their score, and also the date. You can also see card for each of the user. So on the card, there are going to be contest info, lead validity info, and also sign up details. And once you open a user or a lead, you can see the timeline, their referrals. You can also see how many actions they have taken, their score, and you can also edit this lead. And if you have a lot of leads, you can filter and search them. You can also save them as audience. You can also take actions such as manually approve, add to block list, delete, remove from waitlist. So there are a lot of actions that you can take. And you can also see all of your saved audiences on here. You can import more leads manually from here. You can download all of the leads. And you can also pick a winner out of them. All you have to do is just click on this after adjusting all of these settings. And there are also various reports. So you can see how many leads are captured, how many actions are completed, the traffic from sharing, and also emails being sent. And there are also a lot of setup options. So just click on this. So let's see all this scoring setup. So this is something that I already showed you. And then there are setups for actions, for rewards, for messaging, and you can see all of the integrations. So there are a vast range of integration options available with KickoffLabs. And you can also see all of the settings in one place. So there are a lot of settings, landing page settings, fraud options, integration options, text localization, terms and countdown, other settings. But what I found to be very interesting is this fraud protection or the fraud settings. So here are all of the settings that you can use in order to prevent fraud. So you can allow duplicate IP addresses. So you can allow it or not allow it. There are a lot of options. And you can also allow 2 leads per IP address, 3 leads per IP address, whatever you want. And on the right side, you can also exclude leads who opt out of emails. You can exclude fraudulent leads. You can require email verification or CAPTCHA. So as you can see, there are a lot of useful settings that you can use in order to prevent fraud. And if you scroll down, there are even more settings that you can check or uncheck according to your needs. Now let's go back to our campaign and open this campaign. And obviously on here, you can see the page URL. You can also change the URL from here. You can also see the page title. Obviously you can edit this. You can add a description or edit this in order to properly optimize for SEO. You can also see the internal page type that is set to sign up, but you can also change it. And there is also internal page name that you can change. And on the right side, there are some actions that you can take, such as you can preview this, preview your campaign or the web page. You can copy the link probably. You can unpublish this page or also delete this page. You can also start A/B testing. And on top, you can also add header and footer codes. And you can also embed this. So here's the embed code. Overall, I think KickoffLabs is an excellent tool that lets you create referral programs, giveaways, product launch waitlist, and a lot of different types of contests. And you do not have to design anything by yourself. It is completely no code. There are ample amounts of templates, so you can just choose from them and describe your product or business, and you're going to get a relevant web page. So if you want to buy KickoffLabs on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also tier 4.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.